afternoon, it's Bev at Planetcrochet. I have been a little bit quiet on here due to having customer orders to fulfill, but also just family life. Anyway, what I've been doing, about a month ago, maybe a month and a half, I was playing around with a design and I came up with a design of my own and I made this little friend. This is made from Stylecraft Specialty K. It has safety eyes and then embroidered the facial features. I used cotton for this one and then embroidered the eyes and mouth on. So I've done slightly different, and I use the opposite colour because I had these two out. And this one. So it's just a little bit different, it varies. These are cotton. This one is Karen Simply Soft, and that's an Aran weight yarn. Again, I put safety eyes in and a facial expression on the octopus. On the pattern, I recommend, there's a big difference in size. I recommend on the pattern to use the yarn I stipulate on the pattern, which is drops. Also, because this will be for baby or a young child, generally, embroider your face on, because safety eyes or in the UK or no for baby and young child, unless you pattern test your toy. And you've got to make sure those eyes, I mean on the packet, on the eyes, safety eyes in the UK, from what I remember, it says 0 to 3 in a circle with a line through it. So up to 3-year-old, you don't give them safety eyes anyway. And it's cute, isn't it? So that's why, and I just picked a colour what I've got. So that's why it's got blue eyes and a blue mouth. And it's a simple pattern, it's really easy. You just need to know the basics of crochet. Cotton I find a little bit hard on my hands, that's just me personally. The bigger I'll go is better for me. So you can use the pattern on any yarn you want. I have made, my mum has that now, it was hers, she bought it off me. And I used a chunky, I think it was a chunky polyester yarn, really soft. And I think I put safety eyes in it, big safety eyes. And you can do any facial expression you want. And so she has that now, pride of place in her house. So this is what I've been doing. It's called Squidgy. My husband got that name. You'll have to look at the pattern to see how I spelt it. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. If you would like a pattern, head over to my Etsy. I'm going to leave a link below, and that would be great. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I appreciate that. And I will catch you on another video. So from me and Squidgy, we'll catch you soon. Bye for now.